Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 16 from section 7.2. Evaluate the integral tan square x cosine cube x dx. So in this problem, we have to see whether it falls under one of the combinations of trig functions like sine and cosine, a tan and secant, a cotangent and cosecant. In this problem, we notice it's not tan and secant, but it is tan and cosine. So we are going to do this problem in a different way. So we will write this. First we will consider the integral as I. Then it is tan square x cosine cube x dx can be written as tan square is sine over cosine, the sine square over cosine square, times cosine cube x dx. So cosine square and cosine cube, so it cancel out and leaving you with cosine x on top. So it is integral sine square x cosine x dx. Now it falls under sine and cosine combination. So in that, cosine is of odd exponent. So anytime you have a trig function in sine and cosine, if one of them is an odd exponent, then you have to save the odd exponent factor. In this case, cosine x is odd. So we are going to save a cosine, which means our substitution would be sine x. So if I substitute u equal to sine x, then du would be equal to cosine x dx. So I would be integral sine square, which is sine x the whole square. So it is u square. And then cosine x dx equal to du. The integral u square will be u cube over 3 plus c, but u must be replaced by sine x. So it is sine cube x over 3 plus an additive constant. Hope this video